Absolutely. This one is lined deep into the gap, and it's out of here to begin the second game against Curry College.
And her teammates will meet her at the plate. Patchell with...
This one, Shannon coming on, makes the play, throws to first. Got her! Shannon guns her down to end the inning. Or actually, that's the second out, right? No, that will end the inning.
During her time here, it's exciting to see her.
This one driven deep by Brown, back and game with Brown. And Gordon now leads 7-0.
The home run parade continues for today, Chris. It's been an exciting time to see a lot of bombs.
Yeah.
And she does the scooping.